Hi, welcome to Travel Pugma. In 2023, as a family, we all went over to Dominican Republic and we stayed over at the Royalton Punta Cana, which is adjacent to the Royalton Punta Cana Resort and Casino. Punta Cana is located on the eastern side of the island in the Dominican Republic. The resorts are located a short 25-minute ride from the airport. For your convenience, the resort works with a third-party transportation company to provide transportation to and from the airport upon your arrival and your departure. Upon arrival, you check your bags in and they get delivered to your room. And when you're ready to head back home, your bags get picked up and they get dropped off by the bus. You just get to enjoy the experience of being there versus the hassle of dragging your bags around. Royalton Splash and Royalton Resort and Casino are two different resorts. You have access to all the restaurants and dining on both of the resorts. The Diamond Club option includes a butler, access to a private pool, a private lounge, and an access to a private beach section with a restaurant. There are over 800 guest rooms on both properties combined. Each guest room we found was pretty spacious. Each guest room has a balcony, a walkout, or a swim out. There's an option to have all of your guest rooms next to each other. We did choose the option, but unfortunately, our rooms were not together. So if you do want that option and you pay extra, just remember, it is still not guaranteed. Royalton Splash is located about a 5-minute walk from Royalton Punta Cana and probably a 7-minute walk from the beach. There is a tram that's provided that continuously runs all day between both of the resorts. The resorts are located on a public beach. If you're the kind of person that enjoys walking on the beach, then you have plenty of it. You get a few miles in either direction. Because of the landscape around the Royalton Resort, the beach is pretty calm, and it probably is one of the better sections of the beach from either direction, which also makes it awesome for snorkeling. There's plenty of fish to see just off the beach right there. There are 6 pools between both of the resorts, 2 of them being in the splash section, which also has 2 additional kid pools. One of the pools in Royalton Punta Cana is wheelchair accessible. As a matter of fact, the whole facility is wheelchair accessible and handicap friendly. The resort organizes activities and events around the pool. Examples of such are foam party, pool competitions, trivia, and similar.
Giuseppe, you play baseball, Giuseppe. Number 6.
Oh, they're water balloons. It's like dodgeball water balloons.
One of the best things is a water park. Yeah, it's included in your stay. It makes it perfect for a family vacation. Within the water park, there are numerous slides for all ages. There's a small section for kids, and there's a bigger section for the adults. The water park is not open late in the evening, so you definitely want to make sure you go there before it closes. And that's not such a big deal, because in the evening, there are so many entertainment activities going on throughout the resort, from dining at different restaurants, to the theater that has something different every night, and bars and lounges. There are probably other events you might want to get to anyways. So it closing so early, it's not such a big deal. We did not get a chance to go and see every show, but some of the ones that we saw included a rock concert, which was pretty good, circus, and a magic show. There is something to do for everyone of all ages every night. For individuals who might be too young for bars and lounges, or have no interest in going to the theater, there is the outdoor event section. There you will find silent parties and karaoke competitions, and other events for the younger crowd. Or there's the arcade, which is open all day long. There is a variety of shops on premise as well, where you can buy the essentials or gifts to take home. Between both of the resorts, there are 13 bars and lounges and 2 coffee shops, where coffee is served all day long. This resort is an all-inclusive resort. It includes food and a basic drink package. Speaking of food, there are 7 different restaurants. That also includes 2 buffets, one in each resort. The food was pretty good. The buffet had different selections every day, and different restaurants have different things on the menu. If you do have that special occasion that you want to celebrate, the restaurants are pretty cool about celebrating it with you. If you do have the Diamond Club, your butler might invite you for a dinner on the beach one of the nights. Personally, I'd recommend not going. The food was okay, if you got some. There was definitely not enough for everybody. But overall, the experience, I don't think was worth it. I feel there are better things to be doing with your time. During the day, there are multiple food stations set up around the pools that serve hot dogs, hamburgers, and other items. And there's also a few restaurants that are open, buffets included. If you are looking for a change of pace and want to get off the resort, there are plenty of things to do. whether it's right next door, such as golfing, or booking a third-party excursion, such as snorkeling. We were able to do both. Some of us did choose to go golfing, some of us stayed behind, and all of us got the chance to go snorkeling, which was really fun. Overall, Royalton Splash was a great place to stay. It has a benefit of being a family-friendly resort, and it also is somewhat of a budget-friendly resort as well. So if you do ever stay there, or you have stayed there, leave us a comment, tell us what you think. And if you did like this video, then please comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.